And we're back. Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel where I tell you how to be your own boss by finding gig economy jobs, starting your own business, getting your own courier routes, finding side hustles, anything to do with passive income and keep you out there 9 to 5 and get out that corporate rat race. We about that. So today we're back with another website app that helps you find I guess courier routes, help you find delivery jobs, help you, make income on your own time by using your own truck or box truck. This is for more larger vehicles. I know I did a video about medical couriers. We can use your own little smaller vehicle, sedan, two-door, fuel-efficient vehicle. We'll leave a link right above me for that video. But if you're interested in learning how to make your own money on your own time, driving your own vehicle, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button because we're here daily with the content that helps you get paid. So let's talk about GoShare. You see the thumbnail, you see the title, your friend with a truck. So pretty much anybody with a truck, here's a Sprinter truck, pickup truck, box truck, all you truck guys. They do have courier, but like I said, you really won't make too much money or get picked up for too many loads driving the smaller vehicles, but they do have that option as well. More of a last mile, middle mile. Here are some of the bigger companies they work for. So, Costco has large items. Tesla might need parts delivered. Pepsi, furniture stores. How it works is, you find a pro, somebody who needs something, delivered at their home or a business. They contact you, who has the truck or van. You secure the load, secure the price, and everything, payment, and everything is handled through the app. So you can tip them, let them know, you can see where they are, have real-time tracking and everything, all through this app, which is available on iPhone and Android. Let's go into some of the driver details. Here's the application for the driver sign up, some information they ask for, very standard personal information about your vehicle. They want to know what type of vehicle you have, and then you review it. Some, information around payment is I'm seeing now you can have a helper. So like he's probably the driver, he may be the helper or whatnot, or vice versa. And the driver usually makes about $38 to $40 an hour on average across the country. What I've been seeing, and then helpers usually make about $15 to $20 an hour helping out. So if you got like a large, like you got some furniture to move, a house to move, something large, you need two hands. You can go through the app and actually find a helper. Kind of like I think Bungie does the same thing. But GoShare is great. Get paid weekly. Be your own boss. You know we about that. Work when you want. How much you can earn. Here's some of the averages. So like I said, the average I saw the guy say he has a pickup truck and he was earning around 36, 40. He wasn't earning this much. But like I said, it could be the area you're in, Northeast, West Coast, prices are higher. You probably earn a lot more. But it, equates with the cost of living. I have a sort of a fleet, I have a SUV, a pickup truck, and a Sprinter van. So I'm going to be waiting back to hear back from them. I signed up for this service last week, waiting to hear back about getting going and everything. Only thing I had to do was a smile background check. No drug test or anything. Have to have a certain type of insurance, the 100, 500, 1,000 collision. And let's get into some more deets. Does the vehicle qualify for GoShare? So here's some of the vehicles that they use. Courier type vehicles, like I said, smaller cars. But I've noticed that with these companies, if you do have a smaller car, a lot of times they don't call you or call you back to get started. But don't have an option for SUVs plus trailers, so not sure why that is. But SUVs, minivans are cool. Pickup trucks, cargo vans, box trucks. All right, now that you see how to register and sign up for GoShare, now take a ride along with me as I go do a tire delivery for GoShare. I picked up some items from the warehouse, local warehouse, about 2 miles away from my co-working space, and deliver them a couple of miles away. You can do this back to back. You cannot do double orders with GoShare. It's like one order at a time. But once you complete that order, you can get another order. And I did do back-to-back orders. It's not really presented properly on this video, but you'll see the process of actually, getting the order in the app, going to the pickup location, and then completing the app, going to the drop-off location. So come along with me as I do a ride along with GoShare. You know how to sign up. Now let's see how to get to the money. Boss up, baby. Yes, sir. Back at the warehouse. GoShare. See what they got for the boy today. Oh, drop something. Got my back. So you see, empty load here. Picking up some tires. Go in the car, man. This is simple stuff you can do in a small sedan or SUV. Easily making over $35 to $50 an hour transporting tires. And all that good stuff. So let's see where exactly we going. So we finished loading and unloading. So like about GoShare, they give you everything. Eh? You got a track when you're loading, slide to proceed. So I'm done loading. Now I got to slide to proceed to the location. Now I'm going to the location, which is in Conyers. This one doesn't give you a mileage situation. Or does? Oh, there you go. Okay. Yeah, so $31. There's Wednesday 26, Forest Park to Conyers. It doesn't say exactly how many miles. Oh, there you go. 29 miles. So a little bit above $1 a mile, which is not too bad. This warehouse location is only about 5 minutes from ECO Suites, my private office space. So went bad, and Conyers is real close to my house, so I'm about to take it on to the house. Load one, get ready for this evening, and chop this video up. All right, let's see you at the drop-off location. So we are in Discount Tires at the drop-off location. Let's go ahead and drop it off and show you what I got to do on the app. This is more a tutorial how to, work GoShare, as well as this kind of a experience you would have with it. Of course, $30 ain't life-changing money. It's only one route for the day. Usually I can get 2 or 3 of these, if I'm looking at the app constantly, staying on it. But you know me, I got a lot of things going on. I got a business to run, my virtual address, office space. I got drivers for my Sprinter van, and as well as other vehicles. I may have a route here in Atlanta. So only paying about $140 for cars, delivering auto parts. So if you're interested, leaving out the Midtown area, but you got to be available at 6:30 a.m. So that's about $16, $17 an hour. So let me know if you're interested in that, and then I can get you rolling. If not, then stick to these gig apps, man. They worth it. They work. They allow you to boss up and get to the next level, man. Boss up, boss up, boss up, baby. So here is this here. We are here now. Slide when you arrive. Boom. Add proof of delivery. delivery.